Sa doggy. Kala niya kasi noodle. Gusto ko spaghetti. I want the spaghetti tomorrow. I want the spaghetti. Tita, let's tita. Okay, what is the color of the seesaw again?
Yellow.
I thought gray. You said gray.
No, it's yellow.
And the slide. What is the color of the slide?
Yellow.
Yellow naman lahat. How many times you went to the slide?
Nine.
How many times?
1, 2.
2 times?
Yeah.
Wow! That's a lot!
It says hold there.
Like that?
No, it's hold.
Ah, you hold.
The
What
hold
about...
is
You hold?
it holds it slide. It holds it slide.
You hold the slide and then?
It's so hard.
What about sa ano? Sa... Ano yung sa swing? Like that? Oh.
Like this.
Did you cry?
No. It's when it's not started. See? We like this.
You takot or not takot?
Not started. This swing. This swing is nice.
Swing is nice.
Yeah.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like this. It's so weird. Yeah.
And then, what else did you do? Did you run? Did you...
The run is too much. You lay down.
Run too much in the playground?
It's like this.
Other side. Yung tenga niya kasi.
Ayusin mo yung book mo.
Naka na. Ayusin yung book mo.
Tita,
Don't touch your ear. Tita.
it's started here.
Kabila pa. Kabila pa.
Stop touching your hair.
Kabila pa.
Hoy!
Ay.
Yak, ikadiri ka. Open your mouth na. Big mouth. Close your mouth. Wow. What's this? What's this? See?
No.
How old are you now?
3.
3?
Yeah.
This is money.
No.
Hey, what is this?
Money.
This is sipat. So what is this? 3, money or sipat?
1, 4, 5.
3 sipat. 3 sipat. You miss Tita Nana? Huh? Did you miss Tita Nana?
Yeah.
It's my nose.
Yeah. This my nose. This one, Tita nose. I like it.
Very good.
Sip-sip ka. Sinong sip-sip?
Kailan?
My turn.
Your turn. Oh, your turn.
Sip. Doesn't touch.
Don't touch. Aba, dust na pala to ah.
Sabihin, tanongin mo kung mahal ka niya.
You love Tita Nana?
Yeah.
You love Tita Mami?
Yes.
Who you love? Tita Mama? Tita Nana? Tita Mami?
And Tita Mommy.
Yay!
Into. Sip-sip ka.
Have
Who you love? Tita Nana o Tita Mami?
one Tita Nana.
Mali ka tuloy. Nagsisinungaling ka tuloy. Nahuli ka tuloy sa bibig mo. Okay. Close your eyes. Who you love? Close your eyes. Who you love most? Tita Nana o Tita Mami? Close your eyes. Listen. Who you love most? Tita Mama, Tita Nana, o Tita Mami? Ano? Tita Nana o Tita Mami? Who you love? Sagot. Sagot. Tita Nana, you love Tita Nana o Tita Mami?
And Tita Mommy.
You want Tita Mami?
Yeah.
Very good. Good answer. Okay.
Dirty eyes.
I don't like. Your hand is dirty. Oh, last na to, dali na. Yummy. You want chicken or no? No, not that one. Kasi niluwang mo yan eh.
No.
This one. You want chicken?
No.
Ah.
This one.
No! You said no.
This one.
O, gusto niya yan. Wash your hands na.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.